From the Target 12 investigators, an attorney claims fabricated text messages sent from an alleged con man put him in cuffs. And now, as first reported on WPRI.com, the charges have been dismissed. Target 12 investigator Walt Buteau joins us now with the developments.
The suspect named Crook is now locked up in a different state for a different crime, and the attorney he implicated has been cleared of nearly a dozen charges.
That he had done similar things to
Robert McNelis was accused of conspiring with Marcus Crook to take, forge, and cash more than $12,000 worth of checks from McNelis's business account. McNelis is represented by his twin brother.
And the crime doesn't even make sense. His share would have only have been approximately $5,000 or $6,000 supposedly stolen from his own checking account.
Crook talked to Eyewitness News after the arrest.
I had no reason to believe that anything I was doing was illegal.
He told us his claim the attorney was part of the check cashing scheme was proven by text messages.
Obviously trying to incriminate me.
McNelis claims his phone records would have cleared him, telling us there are no texts tying him to the crime. And he suspects a computer app was used to make it look as though he sent the incriminating messages.
That's my leading theory, because I did not send the text messages they claim that I sent. They could have brought me in for questioning. They could have done many other things. They could have gotten my Sprint records from my account. It would have shown that the text messages in question did not come from my account.
According to a document provided to Target 12 by the Attorney General's office, Crook's credibility was irreparably damaged by a recent arrest in Florida. Crook was locked up last month, accused of stealing someone's identity to get a job at a car dealership where he allegedly embezzled nearly $40,000. A state police spokesperson also tells us the arrest in Florida diminished Crook's credibility, and she says there is no information that a computer app was used to create fake text messages for this case. With the Target 12 investigators, Walt Buteau, Eyewitness News.